Today up here at Maple Motors, we're going to be taking a 1970 Monte Carlo for a test drive. This one here's got a 400 under the hood, power steering, decent looking car. Check out the walk around video I just did, pointing out all the flaws on the outside, inside, and underneath. We're going to be taking it down the road, pointing all the flaws out on how it runs and drives. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. MapleMotors.com, we offer financing, shipping, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Hit that subscribe button for daily content. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior, check everything out. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Start this one up and check the dash out here. Nice and clean. Interior is pretty good. Like I said, that walk around video that I just did will be located the last 30 seconds of this one. You could check out all the details on the inside and outside of the car. Blower motor does work on this one, and this one down here seems to be blowing some pretty cool air, but it is only about 40 degrees outside. Radio does work. Temperature gauge is coming up. Gas gauge is about halfway. Clock's not working. 49,000 miles is what it's showing on the dash. Our tach here is coming up, and the windshield wipers do work. Let's try that horn. No horn on this one. Let's hit the road. Okay, we're getting ready to take off. I noticed this one doesn't have seat belts. That's something that's going to need to be added. They're nowhere in this car, the back or the front. We're backing out of here. Anything I see, I will point out and let you know. That way you know what you're buying. Looks like I'm gonna have to move some of these cones. We should place bets when I get back. Do you think somebody will be sitting in the lot? I usually open these cones up. We make people park next door. That'll be a game on this one. What do you think? All right, so if I get back, there's somebody in the lot, I'll do a burnout in my Chevelle. If not, you don't get to see it. Okay, anything I see, I will let you know. Speedometer is coming up on the dash. So far so good. This thing's running straight as an arrow. You touch the steering wheel. Steering's nice and tight. The brakes, stop it fast. Think that kick down's hooked up? Sure not. Still got plenty of power. Get up and go here. Turn signals are popping up on both sides of the dash. Looks like our gas gauge is floating around. Talk about a smooth ride. We're floating down the road. Okay, so what we're going to do here to avoid the destruction of the road up there, I'm going to cut through this parking lot, head on over to the church here, get some outside shots. I'm going to drive over the camera and get you a lit undercarriage shot, and then we'll head on back towards the lot and finish out the test drive. Remember, there's always two parts to every car, so if you're interested, I want you to see both of them. Nice and smooth. We got it set up right. All right, we're here at the parking lot. You want to see what I use to make these videos? Look below. I got Amazon descriptions in the description below. Everything's below. All the video stuff that I use, everything that I use is below in the description. Sorry about the tongue twister. Let's get these shots. Okay, getting ready to head back to the lot. So far so good. Engine temp is right at 210. Just looking around the car. We're gonna head on back to the lot now. I wonder if somebody's parked in there. I'm gonna start making bets like that. If somebody's in there, I have to burn my tires. And it's some kind of video this week. Tell you what, this thing's pretty sweet. It's got a nice paint job on it. When I did the walk around, I was pretty impressed. There wasn't really any major flaws or not a lot of chips or anything. It's just nice and clean. And it's more on the stock side. Still got plenty of power. This is the road with a speed bump on it. You will not notice it in this car. Coming up on it right here. Pulling back up to the lot. Gate's still unblocked. Nobody pulled in. Sorry about that, guys. Maybe the next test drive. There's no random car up in here. I hope y'all enjoyed the test drive. Be sure to watch that walk around. That way you know everything about this car. And hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. See y'all later. If you want to see more of our cars, visit maplemotors.com. We have close to 100 detailed photos of every vehicle here. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. I have financing and shipping options available. And be sure to hit that subscribe button to see daily content. I do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys. Oh, he's about to pull in. Just a little bit too late. Maybe the next video.